I believe magicians' props must be top quality. Not only the props the audience to see, but the props they don't see. That's why we team up with Ochiu Studio and present you Black Holder series. Hi, Hansen Chen here. The holders in this series are like the James Bond secret weapons. Unlike other holders, this series is equipped with self-dropping system. So you don't have to take the prop away from the holders. Rather, the prop loads into your hand by itself. You might wonder who created these holders. It's a man himself, the Visa winner, Red Tie. He's the best prop designer in this community. Even Liu Chen hired him. Now, introduce you the first holder in this series, JCD. I think the best jumbo coin holder must achieve following goals: well made, well designed, well secured, easy to set up, and can hold any jumbo coin with 3 inches or less. But no holders in the market can achieve these goals except JCD. You will learn how to use this device and will learn how to use different ways to produce a jumbo coin. This is the next generation holder you have ever experienced.